The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County, Morgan County, and Roane County in eastern Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Knoxville at 9 p.m. Other locations impacted include Quinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Derriman, Powell, Morris, and Hulls. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.